Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the area safe. Park, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorting airbags or electronics. Use a plastic trim pry and lift at the rear of the cup holder trim because those clips are fragile. This prevents broken tabs. Once the rear trim is free, remove the exposed Phillips screws and put them in a labeled container. Make sure to work methodically so you can reverse the process later. Once the cup holder trim and screws are out, remove the 10 mm bolts that secure the console, front and rear, using an extension for hard-to-reach fasteners. Now, lift the console just enough to access the underside and carefully unplug connectors for USB, 12V socket, and any parking brake or sensor harnesses. You should press the release tabs to avoid breaking them. After disconnecting, feel for remaining clips and work the console upward and rearward evenly, because uneven force causes plastic stress and snapping. You can now fully lift out the center console, guiding wiring clear of sharp edges and the dash. Set it on a padded surface to avoid scuffs. Inspect all clip tabs and screw bosses. Replace any damaged clips before reassembly to ensure proper fit and reduce rattles. Once reinstalled, reconnect the battery and test electronics. If the console won't lift, check for a concealed 10 mm bolt under the armrest or behind the glove box.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.